this is the before of today's lovely client. She has this beautiful texture of hair. We custom colored some extensions to perfectly match. Stay tuned for the final results.
So this is the update process of the install we're doing today. So we're doing our braid pattern right now, and we'll come back to you when we have the rest done. This is the end result of our install that we did in store. The install was done by Emily. This is a sew-in with 2 bundles. As you can see, it has a really natural and realistic part going on. And this is the end of our install. And this is our kinky curly texture. So this is the end process of the install. As you guys can see, we did a little bit of custom coloring on the end. We gave her a little bit of light brown highlights that she already had in her natural hair. So I'm just showing off the highlights that we did in store. Shop with us today at Magic Haircut.